In our previous videos, we learned how to create text boxes, password box, radio buttons, then check boxes, then drop down menus. In this video, we are gonna learn how to work with the data list tag. The data list tag is a bit similar to this select tag, but slightly different. So for understanding the data list tag, I'm gonna write a break tag for a new line. Then I'm gonna write a paragraph tag with the text countries. Then I'm gonna write the input tag, and here I'm not gonna give the attribute type, but I'm gonna write another attribute which is list, and it will have a value which would be countries. It will have a name, country, a ID of course, that would be country also. Then I'm gonna write the data list tag. This will have an ID too, and keep in mind that this value what we gave to this list attribute should match this ID. So I'm gonna copy this and paste in the ID attribute value. Then in the data list we will have some options, so I'm gonna write the option tag. Here I'm gonna give a value which would be America. Then I'm gonna write the option tag again, and I'm gonna give the value Africa. I'm gonna write the option tag again, the value would be Bangladesh. Then I'm gonna write the option tag again, and the value would be Spain. Save the file. You can see we have output which has a paragraph with the text countries. Then we have a text box where we can write, and also this text box include a drop down menu. Here you can see, if I expand the drop down menu, you can see the options like America, Africa, Bangladesh, Spain. But it is somewhat different from the select tag that also shows a drop down menu. But here we have a facility that we can write in the box. Like if I write AM, you can see it suggests me America, because America includes A and M, these two letters. If I write SP, then it will suggest me Spain. We can select that, or we can just clear the text and expand the menu and select one of these like this. In the select tag, while working with the options, we gave a value and a text in between opening and closing option tag. But here we don't give anything in between opening and closing option tag, because if we do that, like if I write here America and save the file, when I will expand the menu, you can see everything is same. But if the value here and this text does not match, let's see then what happens. So I'm gonna make this small a and save the file. And now if I expand the drop down menu, you can see we have America with capital A, and after that we have America with small a. But if I write everything same, then it will show only one, which is America with capital A. So I like the data list because it gives the user power to write in the input box, and according to his writing, it suggests him contents like this.